This episode is brought to you by Ultimate 9 and the EVCX throttle controller. If you're interested in this amazing little device that will improve your throttle control, stay tuned. At the end of the build video, there's a short installation video of the EVCX controller. Now that the camper is done and we have a few trips under our belt, we decided we need a fold-down table on the side of the camper to make cooking at camp more comfortable. So I headed to my favorite metal supply store and picked up some aluminum off the remnant pile. I was hoping to build something similar to this, a Max Trax table for a troopy. The side of the camper is a little high, but we're tall, and I have an idea to bring the table down a bit. Before I purchased all of my supplies, I built one of the support arms to make sure the idea I had would work. Here I'm using it as a template for the other support arm. By cutting away a portion of the bottom of the arm, it allows it to hang lower, dropping the table a few needed inches. I picked up these folding and locking shelf brackets off of Amazon. I bolted everything together with stainless steel hardware and locking nylon nuts. I added these wider backing plates to allow me to tighten the support arms heavily without creasing the camper walls. I picked up this remnant of an aluminum sheet for about $22. I'm going to cut it down to the size I need. I wanted to be sure that this was going to work before I started drilling holes in the side of the camper. So I screwed it to my fence and finished assembly there. This is just a little piece of U-channel to help stiffen up the table. Keeping with my black and gray color scheme, I painted the arms black and the bottom of the table gray, leaving the top in the brushed aluminum finish. These are neoprene rubber strips. I think they help with tightening and weatherproofing when everything is all tightened down. I used some aluminum strap to spread the load over the inside wall of the camper. A little unlucky on my layout on this side, but I made it work. Once it's all painted, it'll disappear. Just a quick cleanup of the sharp edges on these cutoffs. I added a bolt that comes off of the support arm and passes through the bottom of the table, allowing me to put a nut on it, locking the table in its place for travel. If you're worried that the camper is going to flex and the table is going to hit the side of the truck, it doesn't. We traveled all over Anza-Borrego this weekend and no issues. I built this propane tank holder as well, but I didn't film it unfortunately. But I'm super happy at the way it came out. Thanks for sticking around to check out the EVCX throttle control install. If you're interested in purchasing this product, there's a link and a discount code in the description below. As you can see here, it comes with everything you need for installation. This is a simple installation. It literally took me 10 minutes. The hardest part of the install was getting my 6'5" frame underneath the foot pedals to install the wires. It's as easy as just unplugging your factory throttle plug and plugging in the EVCX throttle controller. Then pick a flat surface to mount your iDrive magnetic mount. A cool feature of the EVCX is the ability to plug into either side of the unit. Depending on where you mount your unit, your wire can connect to the right side or the left side. Then download the Ultimate 9 app from the App Store. Next, you'll need to start your vehicle. Hold down both of the buttons at the same time to get your activation code. Enter your activation code into the app. There are 8 different main modes in the app. Some of those modes have different levels of adjustability as well. So far, my favorite mode is launch. Even with the added weight of the camper, the truck jumps off the line with great throttle response and tons of power. I'm really looking forward to getting out on the trail and trying all of the modes in the throttle controller. Thanks again to Ultimate 9 and the EVCX throttle controller for sponsoring this video. Link and discount code in the description below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.